Okay, this is a video on how to make a membership card for a member that you've just entered. So, I'm going to make a membership card for this lady, Leanne Townrow. Go onto the membership system, head over here to where it says members, and in keyword search, just type in their surname, Townrow. Okay, so we have just one entry here. You want to go up to the top and go export, and I've already set it up, so just press export. When it's done, it'll pop up down here, and you want to go to show in folder so you can actually get the actual file. Then close that down and drag it onto the desktop and close that down. Then you want to open up cardpresso. Just takes a little while to open up. I've already created the template with barcode and everything in the right place. So in that case, just go to open file, and this is the card that we created. Double click that. It will come up with this error because the Excel sheet that it's looking for is gone because I deleted it. So then you just go to desktop and find, there we go, that's the one we want to use. If that dialog box doesn't come up, you can also go up here where it says attach database, click on that, then press next, browse, and scroll down to it again. Oops. Open that up, click OK. Everything's pre-set in here, so you just press next, next, next until finish. It'll come up with Leanne Townrow. Then you want to go to print. First of all, make sure the printer is on. There we go. Go to print, and always make sure the printer at the top is set to Xenius, because it will by default be set to the one in the office. And for this, just because we're printing all the records, oopsie, so click on all records and press print. That'll be sent through. Then hopefully in a few seconds this will print it out. That's back there. I think the printer's still setting up. There we go. One membership card. Lovely.